Now it says it's recording. Are you kidding me? Did that not record all morning? Okay, well, to update you on what I just did, I spent 24 minutes riding around looking for my children on a bike path that I couldn't find them on. I'm not sure why my quick start isn't working. I really need to pay attention to that. Well, you didn't miss anything. Besides that, I learned that I can just put one foot down instead of both feet at stop sign. You put both feet down or one foot down when you stop at a stop sign? Huh, that's weird, because when you press the record button, okay, so your GoPro's off. If you press the record button, it'll just turn on, start recording in the last mode, you know? Is that a Fury? I don't know, I'll have to go see. What? There's BBS again! Or not BBS, SOS. Students offering service. Alright, so your GoPro, when it's off and you press the record button, it starts recording automatically in the last known setting. And then you just press record again and it just shuts off. So for some reason it was off, which I'm guessing it fell asleep because it didn't record. And then for some reason it just like, when I pressed that button again, it didn't start recording. Instead of recording, it just turned on. So I just pressed record again. Is it still recording? Yeah, it's still recording. I don't know what the deal is. Where's your motorcycle? Sorry. Nope, wrong way. Are you working, little camera? We shall see here in a minute. Once I can look in my mirror. My mirror says you are working. See how long you stay working. Do you get tonight off? Are you on?
No.
Are you leading?
No, I'm meeting with one of our leaders.
Oh, but you're not in the band?
No, yeah, I'm not in the band, no.
Oh, look at this new piece of pavement. I still don't know what that was for. I mean, I appreciate it, but I just don't know what it was for. I see a motorcycle. I see another motorcycle. I see another motorcycle.